Imagination leads to creativity and versatility. We all have the power of imagination, but children's imagination knows no bounds because of their innocence. They don't discriminate between reality and dream. So, parents, let your imagination go wild for today. I, Sakit Ramov, a smart classman, welcome you to the world of imagination. Please welcome our nursery kids with their scintillating performance. Thank you.
Please welcome Priyanka, Shriya, Ayushman, Diya, Omansh, Parnika, Zishan, Sahasra, Karthik, Ranvijay, and Arshika.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन लेंगे। मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले, मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोल रे।
Come on, parents, clap along, clap along.
क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना, सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए। हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।
Here comes our theme song. I would want Devesh to give you a gist of what it is all about. Thank you.
I hope all of you agree with us, but every child is unique. I mean, the ideology of one size fits all cannot be the approach of one has to take in this age, in the 21st century. Our children should not be suppressed by age-old educational methods, as education and learning is ever. So basically, every child learns different and has to be taught in a different way. And we at EdSmart and EuroKids believe in a more intuitive and interactive method of teaching every child in their own comfortable method. So here's a small play or dance which we're going to show you. Please welcome students from EdSmart ES and EdSmart Grade 1 with a huge round of applause.
कसके बेल्ट खोस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट, मंजिल को चली सवारी, कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी। में फाइल मन में दम, मीलों मील चलेंगे हम, हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे, टस से मस ना होंगे हम। दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो, दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो। ये सोते भी है टेंशन आगे रहने की है टेंशन, मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है, आज्ञाकारी है। ये ऑमलेट पर ही जीते हैं, ये टॉनिक सारे पीते हैं, वक्त पे सोते वक्त पे खाते, तान के सीना बढ़ते जाते। दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो, दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो।
Parents, the elder child left home. Now it's the younger child being bullied.
जैसे छिड़ता कोई साज है, हर काम को टाला करते हैं, ये सपने पाला करते हैं।
ये हरदम सोचा करते हैं, ये खुद से पूछा करते हैं, क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो।
Mom, do you connect to anything here?
जमे रहो, क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो।
ये वक्त के कभी गुलाम नहीं, इन्हें किसी बात का ध्यान नहीं, तितली से मिलने जाते हैं, ये पेड़ों से बतियाते हैं। ये हवा बटोरा करते हैं, बारिश की बूंदें पड़ते हैं, और आसमान के कैनवस पे ये कलाकारियां करते हैं।
क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो, क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो।
खुल गया आसमां का रास्ता, देखो खुल गया, मिल गया, खो गया था जो सितारा, मिल गया, मिल गया, रोशन हुई सारी जमीन, जगमग हुआ सारा जहां, हो उड़ने को तू आजाद है, बंधन को ही अब है कहाँ। तू धूप है झम से दिखाए, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां, तेरी तो मंजिल है वही।
शिक्षा के लेके सारे उजाले, कल हर दिशा में
That's a teacher.
हो जाने वाले, कल तुम ही होगे जग को संभाले, तैयारी इसकी करो। हम आज की बेटियां हम आज के बेटे सारे,
Come on, parents.
बद भी ना रोक पाए, हम है वो
really get what we've tried to do here? So we tried to show you every household has like probably 2 children or 1 child who is very unique. And one size fits all is a very complex equation which you try to attach to a child. Every child is unique. And at school, I have 300 very unique children. And it's only a teacher with a lot of love and affection and of course a little bit of routine, we can give the best to our child, nurture them. And learning is a lifelong story. So at EdSmart, when EuroKids, we believe, first let's have our kids learn to learn, and then everything will follow. Everything will follow. Let the kids learn to learn first. Then, trust me, the story is going to be very different. You will have your dreams come true, the children's dream come true. It's all about them. They will be pilots, doctors, engineers, lawyers, or even IT, whatever, right? Please give them time. And we at EuroKids and EdSmart, we're trying our best to do that. And our teachers, as they've represented, it is all about love, affection, and harmony. Trust me, everything is going to follow. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, children. Thank you. Wonderful show. As we talk about teachers, as we talk about school learning, it is very important to felicitate teachers who have been contributing tremendously for the growth and for nurturing children. It is our time. Every year we felicitate teachers who complete 3 academic years at EuroKids. So this year also we have a couple of teachers who have completed 3 years. We would like to call them on stage. We would like to call Mrs. Ritu. Ritu ma'am to please come on stage to felicitate them. Ritu ma'am is a very close associate. She's been our creative learning partner with EuroKids and EdSmart Global. She's doing a fantastic job. I don't know why it's not enough to thank her. She does a wonderful job. She helps us in reading and creative writing for our Euro seniors and class 1 and 2.
Lata teacher, Sri Lata teacher as we call her. She has been an excelling employee since the day she started. She arrives at work on time with a smile for everyone, always professional and approachable. She has become invaluable to our school. The words best used to describe her are responsible, dedicated, and reliable. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, Sri Lata teacher, for who you are and all you have been doing for students. The next teacher is Sridevi teacher. She has created a wonderful learning community in her class. She worked very hard for a successful transition despite many challenges. The words best used to describe her are caring, pleasant, and dedicated. Thank you,
Very
Sridevi
soft
teacher.
spoken.
Thank you, Sridevi teacher, for all that you have been doing to this institution. Thank you.
As I speak about Lata and Sridevi, these are my pillars, and I'm sure I'm going to talk about Pyari and others as well. There are pillars at school, and without them, I cannot imagine EuroKids, and of course now EdSmart Global. Lata has been the class 1 teacher, fantastic job done, amazing way that she's nurtured children. And I'm sure I echo with all the parents here, class 1 parents. She's been very loving, very caring, and great direction that she's given the children. So great job, Lata. And Sridevi, I can't thank her enough. All the cries that she's taken care of, nursery children, nurturing nursery children, taking care of them is a big, big, big accomplishment. So great job done. Very soft-spoken. Whatever can happen, she will give you a smile and she'll say, ma'am, I'll just take care of it. Don't worry. So in the same tone she talks. So wonderful teacher. Thank you so much. Yeah.
The next teacher is Pyari teacher. She is a can-do person with a positive attitude and willingness to help anyone. She arrives at work on time with a smile for everyone. She is always professional and approachable as well. The words which are used to describe her are positive, professional, and compassionate. Thank you, teacher, for the wonderful job that you've been doing to our institution. Thank you.
Next.
The next teacher is Chandra teacher. Chandra teacher is always helpful and cooperative to take a new task. She works hard and motivates everyone. She also arrives at work on time with a smile for everyone. The best words that we can use to describe her are caring, pleasant, and dedicated. Thank you, Chandra teacher, for all that you have been doing. Thank you.
Okay, now as the name says, Pyari, she is very Pyari. She is very adorable, very, very positive. One of the person who comes on time. Last, 4 years, 3 years? She's been coming on time, and that's a big achievement in spite. She has 2 kids too, but still she ensures she's on time. And she's a wonderful teacher, like Sridevi, nursery, very difficult, and she's been handling the large class of nursery. And trust me, all the parents sitting out there might echo with me that she's an extremely caring and loving teacher. And she does so much, even like Sridevi, I go to her and say, Pyari, I'm in midst of this. She'll say, ma'am, just give me 2 minutes, I'll finish it and I'll do it. Don't worry. So thank you so much. You're adorable. Yeah, thank you. And Chandra, as always, 3 years. She's been a pillar for Euro Junior. Very, very supportive, very strong. She does, the class, the way she handles, even the child who is like, in the act you saw the second child, the younger child, even very, very naughty kids. She has immense patience. She'll only tell us, like when we have these discussions, Swarna ma'am, she tells us, ma'am, don't worry. He's not writing, I will ensure he writes. So that's the positive attitude what we want from teachers, and they're just there. Thank you so much. Come.
Rama teacher, she's been working with us since 4 years, and she has worked very hard for a successful transition despite many challenges. And she's been committed to the safety of students and teachers alike. Thank you,
She's
teacher.
one behind the scene. There are many people behind the scenes, so she's one behind the scenes. So she takes care of playgroup, nursery, she takes care of substitution, she takes care of extended care, amazing help in school. She does everything possible, everything with a smile. She talks very less, but she does the job. So thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
Do you remember playing with water? Oh, our children just love it. They love to swim, splash, and play with water. Let's join our kids and have a little fun with water and wishes for life. Please welcome Shri Yukta, Syed Sair, Pranati, Pranav, Ananya Goel, Varun Teja, Yashvi Manga, Meha Jain, Darsh Kumar, Vanya Mishra.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा। गुनगुनाती है ये हवाएं, गुनगुनाता है गगन, गा रहा है ये सारा आलम।
Zubidu param pam, zubidubi
zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampam. Zooby dooby nache kyun pagal stupid man.
Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampam. Zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे,
दीवानी किरणें गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे.
वो बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू.
Ay ay ay, zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampam.
Zooby dooby nache kyun pagal stupid man.